Добрый день! In this video we're speaking about years. Год. Глава 12. Let's imagine we want to ask this question in Russian. What year is it now? Let's say we forgot. So the noun in this question is year. So year in Russian год. And notice how D is going to lose its voice. So год. And looking at the last letter, please notice the gender. So this is a masculine word, which means when we add what year, which year, we're going to add the adjective какой, and we're going to add it in the masculine gender. So for число, which day is it? Число. We were using какое because число was a neuter noun, and now the noun changed to masculine, so the adjective is changing to masculine as well. Какой год? And we don't have is, we don't have it. For the day, we had what day is it today? Today сегодня. But now we're changing to now. Сейчас. Час is hour. Сей is an old word for this, so this hour now, сейчас. So the question again, we prefer putting these words now, today, in the middle. So the question is какой сейчас год? Какой сейчас год? So we'll practice with different numbers and end with the current year. It is 1951 now. In English, when I was studying English, it was very easy to work with numbers because we just break them into tens, and we have two numbers here, 1951, and it's all very easy. Unfortunately, in Russian, just like with phone numbers, you can't read every digit separately. You have to read numbers in clusters. The same with years. We actually have to say 1951 and not 51 51st, because we're thinking year and we use that word after the number itself, after the year itself, most of the time. So this is what it's gonna look like. Сейчас 1000, тысяча, 900, 900, 50, 50. And remember how I said it is 1951st year. So now we have not one, один, but we have first, and then we have year. So 1951st year, that's how we say it. Сейчас 1951 год. Let's look at another example. Can you do this one yourself? So it will be 1000, and we'll start with сейчас now. And then 1980, not 9, but ninth year. Got it? Сейчас 1989 год. And again, since год is a masculine word, first is using the masculine ninth, and the first year uses the masculine form, the masculine ending. So 1989 год. And finally, the current year. And the reason that I postponed the current year is because now we have 2000. And if you remember, when we count with 2, 3, 4, and put those numbers in front of a noun, the noun goes into genitive case. Remember that? So when we put 2 in front of 1000, 1000 needs to change to genitive case. And for that, we need to know the gender of this word, which is feminine from the a ending. And feminine nouns in genitive case go from a to uy. But che doesn't like uy, so it's going to be e. And then 2 has different forms. We have dva for masculine and neuter, and we have две for feminine words. Тысяча is a feminine word, so this is what it looks like. Сейчас 2014 год. Сейчас 2014 год. I'll give you more examples in the next video. До свидания.